So in this video clip, I'm going to show you how to replace the cold air intake filter for an E39 M5. What's not shown in this video is removing the wheel well arch. You can find that online somewhere else. This was one of those, while I'm in here, I might as well replace it. I was in the process of cleaning some stuff up and realized, hey, let me replace this filter because it's of unknown age. So you're going to use a 7mm socket to loosen up the worm clamp. Hopefully your worm clamps are facing a position that you can get to. My other side, they're facing the other way, and so I have to figure out a way of getting to that. Anyway, once you loosen them up, take the clamp itself and move it around. And then what I did is I moved my sock, I lowered it a little bit, and then just slowly pry down, and the filter will come out. So really the only thing that I'm going to keep from the old filter is nothing, because I have a new replacement sock and I've got a new filter here, and the new filter includes a new worm clamp as well. You want to guess which one's the new one? This one is of unknown vintage, and it seems like they changed the design somewhere along the way. Oh, never mind. It's got the metal reinforcement plate, though it seems like the design's a little different. Otherwise, they are identical. And then I'm going to fit this air filter sock on there as well. Some amount of dust inside of here, which I doubt is detrimental to the performance of the filter, but it is capturing some stuff. So here is the newly assembled filter assembly. Got this all together, and of course they changed the size of the worm clamp on this version. This is an 8mm. So the installation is the reverse of the removal. Get it fit on, put the clamp on, close the things up. Little pro tip, what I did was, little pro tip, I took a little bit of Vaseline and I lubricated the inside of the black piece, the silicone here on the filter, and that just allowed it to slide onto the carbon tube a little bit easier. I also found that make sure you keep this loose, the worm clip loose, and I rotated the filter as I slid onto the tube, and that was able to kind of glide on fairly easily. So try that strategy when you're installing your filter. So installing this pre-filter is putting on a prophylactic. Grab the base and slide it down. Oh yeah. Should I even make the comment about being ribbed?